How's it? Making tent pegs 101. Now sometimes when you bash a piece of wood into the ground, the end all splits, and if it's really hard ground, you can't actually bang the peg in without that peg splitting. So this is a really easy and quick method to stop your pegs splitting when you drive them into the ground. First, cut your peg. Second, sharpen one end into a stake. Third, make the top rounded. Just round it off. You want it lots of little round bits going all the way up, and then when you smack it with a stone, it stops it splitting all the way down. Here is a demonstration on just how effective these pegs are. Now you can note the difference between the peg on my left and the peg on my right. The peg on my left is split asunder, and the peg on the right is still in one piece, a relatively good condition. If you choose a good piece of wood, kanuka or the like, then you can use it multiple times. Here's another quick tip for you fellas. When you're cutting your peg, you can actually cut the sharp bit of the stake while it's still on the tree and save a bit of work.